Hi! It's another work day. I'm on my way to another event, special event for a regular client of mine. Wait na go. Baba na tayo. Let me show you around. Nandito na ako sa may Capitol Hills Pat and Pat restaurant. Ito yung harap ng restaurant. Pagpasok mo, maganda, maaliwalas. Good for 30 packs lang siguro yung loob nito. Pero whole day naman yung event, so yung mga tao labas-masok lang. Ito nga, maaga ako, so wala pang tao, naunahan ko pa yung mga organizer dumating. Kaya nagbasa-basa na lang muna ako ng brochure hanggat wala pa sila. At syempre hindi mawawala ang kape, para yan sa energy. Inaral ko ang mga unit at kinilala kung sino ang mga darating.
Hindi po yung nauna ko pong graphic artist.
Okay. Pero usually ito yung mga ganito yung how.
Ganyan po yung ginagawa ko.
Eto nga't nag-aayos na ako kasi unti-unti na nagdaratingan yung mga tao. VCDC is my client and they sell modern townhouses. This particular one is M Residences in Capitol Hills.
Good morning, everyone. Hi. Good morning, everybody. We'd like to welcome you all to our very special event today. Thank you so much for coming on behalf of the organizers of this event. We are especially grateful for your presence, so thank you so much. And as a special treat for all of you, I'd like to get your attention just very quickly. If you may please direct your attention to the screen, and we have a special video presentation to show. So let us watch this, please.
First, we showed an AVP that showcased all of the units within the community. After that, we opened the buffet and made sure that everybody is comfortable, happy, and satisfied. Syempre, importante yun bago mag-discuss ng ibibenta. Itong flame-grilled barbecue, favorite ko, they really did not disappoint. Ang daming food options. Itong nasa plate ko, lahat masarap. Lalo na tong fish and chips with tartar sauce. Ayan na nga po at busog na rin ang host. Payat pa ako, nag-host na ako dito I think more than 8 years ago. My first event with them is an awarding ceremony, and then I hosted a year-end party, and then yearly, ako na yung naghahawak nun. We also organized their event, kaya so far, I've built a good relationship with them already.
Konti na lang, Vienna.
Okay, hello, I'm back. Ngayon, papunta kami sa M Residences Capitol and magpa-familiarization tour lang ako, mag-ocular para alam ko kung ano yung itsura ng mga units nila dito. Syempre, mas maganda yung I'm also aware of what we are selling. Syempre, you have to know the product, right? So, ito na pala siya. Pumasok kami sa Alpha Village. May konting distance lang from gate to M Residences. So yun, I'm not actually required to do this. I mean, out of my own initiative na lang to. Kasi they are my regular client and I prefer to be looped in as much as possible with the whole process of selling. Since I started with them from groundbreaking pa lang, syempre, I want to be able to help as much as I can with selling as well. It's not that I'm an agent or anything, pero when you host sales calls, sales events like this, syempre mas maganda yung meron ka talagang alam. Feels like you're actually one of them. And I am actually, in fact, adopted by this company already, in a way. So, yeah, it's an extra mile. Ay, ganda! So, eto na ang M. Pasok na. M Residences. There it is. 5 minutes away lang siya from the resto. After discussion doon, dinadala dito yung mga client kapag gusto nilang mag-familiarization tour. At eto, napakaswerte ko na magkaroon ng exclusive access.
Oh, clubhouse. Pwede lang pasigit? Yeah. May mga ginagawa lang. Okay. Tripping time. Tripping time. Pasok kami.
Kaya kung gusto nyo ring makita, stay tuned, watch my next video.